Well, here we are once again, a summer in Alaska. Kelly and I are working a seasonal job here on the Kasilof River. We are near Kenai, Alaska and Soldotna, Alaska, here on the Kasilof River. You hear a lot of seagulls in the background here. There's a big population of them that stay right across the river. The mouth of the Kasilof is right over this patch of green. Opens up into the ocean. There are a ton of dip netters. Residents here in Alaska can use dip nets to get their subsistence allotment for the year of salmon. So there's quite a bit of people out doing that right now. And we are working with commercial fishermen here at this fish buying station. Try to give you a little short description of what our job is. You can see these big two cranes here. Those cranes are used, fishermen come in with their fish, tie off at our dock down here, and we are able to lift the brailer bags of fish out from their fishing boats. And we separate the ice that's with them. In this contraption up here, the fish go into these yellow bins, brought down to some scales here. I'll give you a closer look at that. That's actually Kelly's job, working in the scale house. And my job is actually running this skiff down here. When the fishermen are done fishing, you can see a lot of these boats are just tied off at these buoys. My job is to hop in this skiff and give them a ride from their fishing boat back to our parking lot here.
See ya!
Right before dinner, right?
Yeah.
I guess my kid wants to go river.
Do a little river fishing. All right.
I guess he said it opens up on the 16th.
Ah.
The Anchor River.
Yeah.
So I don't know if that's true or not.
I haven't seen any. Yeah.
I think like 25 is perfect, you know?
Yeah, really.
We don't care, it was fun!
And then when they're ready to go out and fish again, my job is to give them a ride in this skiff from here back out to their fishing boat. So it's a pretty small operation here. There is only 6 of us and then a few part-timers that come in when we get busier. It's a beautiful spot here right on the river. You can see it is approaching low tide here. There's a lot of shoreline exposed. When it's high tide, it comes right up to the grass here. Pretty big tide shifts, sometimes up to 30 feet. So we'll give you a little look around the place here. We live right at this fish camp. We call it Fish Camp here. And again, there are 6 of us. It's Kelly and I, and then the couple that hired us, Coda and Angela. And then Chris and Lisa complete out the crew. And this is where Kelly does her job. This is a big scale here, and she works in this scale house, recording the weights and doing up the fish tickets. We basically buy fish from the commercial fishermen, and then she runs over into the office over here, prints up their fish ticket, and we offer some services to the fishermen. We've got a big tank of diesel fuel and gasoline, so we can supply the fishermen with fuel for their boats, as well as ice. You get a lot of ice delivered in these insel totes here, and then we put it into a brailer bag, and we can lower down bags of ice into the fishermen's boats. And this is our little sorting station. We get mostly sockeye salmon, red salmon, but they will bring in a variety of mix sometimes, smaller portions that we send down this belt here. There's usually a container at the end, and we'll sort through and weigh out separately the different varieties of salmon. And this is our fish camp here. The couple that heads the operation stay over in a little trailer over here. And then our camp is over on this side here, actually staying in a shipping container. And then we have a communal kitchen and bathroom, shower house room. That is this building over here. It's pretty nice to be right on the river. So this shipping container over here is divided up into 3 rooms. Kelly and I are in this first one here, and this one is marked skiff rides. When the fishermen come in, they park over in a parking lot behind these trees, and then they'll come over and ring the doorbell here, and that lets me know they need a ride. If they're out on the water, I have a radio on at all times, and they'll radio in and let me know to come pick them up. Give you a little glimpse of what our room setup is like here. Very simple, basic, small room. Got a place for our clothes and stuff, our work boots, and then a couple bunks here. So it's a pretty nice setup. We've been real happy. We'll show you the kitchen house here in a minute. And yeah, it's just been going well. We've been enjoying making money as well as being on a kind of a vacation from van life. And yeah, it's a 2-month job. It's probably going to be about 7 to 8 weeks. And then we'll be back to the vans, continuing on our adventures for the rest of the year. All right, well, let's go take a look at the communal kitchen area. The rest of fish camp here. So this is it here. Out front, we've got one of the bathrooms with the shower. It's the one I use the most. And then, of course, the 2 other rooms. And then this is the front here. We actually just installed this screen door. We have a little fire pit area, which we actually grill up a lot of salmon. We'll make a little fire. We've got a grill that goes over that. I like to sit in this chair up on this rock, check out the river. And then we actually have a smoker as well. We've been processing a lot of salmon for ourselves. A lot of the fishermen that we take care of, they gift us salmon. So we're able to process it and use this smoker here. And we'll bring it in and can it. We've got a pressure canner. They got an outside fridge for all of our drinks. And a very nice setup inside. This is our big round table. It's set up perfectly for the 6 of us. We each have our own chair and nice big kitchen area. This is the pressure canner here. We're just finishing up some 1/2 pint jars of our sockeye salmon. So I'll be able to pack and ship a lot of this home. We're back to where my van is, gift a lot to my friends and family. And we've got 2 big fridges and freezers here. And the company supplies us with food. We actually go shopping. We have a credit card that they give us, and we can go supply our own food. So plenty of food. And again, another glance at our area here. And then the big bathroom here has our washer and dryer, and then another shower. So we've got 2 toilets, 2 showers for the 6 of us. Works out really good. We've all been getting along really great, getting a lot of work done, and just having fun at the same time. Well, I think we'll wrap it up there. I just wanted to give you guys an idea of what I'm doing for this seasonal job. I do get asked a lot when I'm doing my normal travel videos how I'm able to afford to do that and live like that. And it's these seasonal jobs that make it possible. I have to take some downtime and just work and make money, but I really try to choose fun and adventurous jobs, and this one has definitely been that so far. It's really awesome being right here on the river. But it'll be all over soon. We'll be right back to getting to the vans and on my normal adventures. I appreciate you guys checking in, hanging in there with me. Hope you're all doing well, and we'll see you soon. Take care. Peace.